Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a trailer, and this trailer is Republic.
Republic, yes. So the cast of this movie is Sai Tej, Aishwarya Rajesh, Jagapati Babu, and Ramya Krishnan.
Yes.
Okay, and the movie is directed by Deva Katta, music given by Mani Sharma, and the producer is JB. Entertainments. Okay, so let's get started. This movie is going to be released on October 1st, I think,
yes.
right? This
and
year
that,
only.
And that also in cinema.
In cinema, so
Yes.
you can definitely watch on the silver screen, like big screen. क्योंकि अभी तो सब theater बंद है. I can totally understand the pain because we are also in pain.
At least people thinks that at least let's get some movie to
Some
watch in
movie
theater.
at least, run seriously.
Right.
So
We
yeah,
are
let's get
missing that
started.
big theater.
Yeah, very much. So let's get started. We'll be talking more about that. This is a trailer. We'll be like giving the reaction on. Already, I'm getting a vibe that this movie is going to be super duper movie because the thumbnail and everything, like the way they have made the thumbnail, it is like very attractive.
It was written.
Ha. So definitely, let's get started. But उससे पहले if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, guys, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
సమాజంలో తిరిగి అర్హతే లేని గుండాలు పట్టపగలే బాహాటంగా అమాయకుల ప్రాణాలు తీస్తుంటే కంట్రోల్ చేయాల్సిన వ్యవస్థలే వాళ్ళకి కొమ్ము కాస్తున్నాయి.
ఆ రాక్షసులు ప్రపంచం అంతటా ఉన్నారా, కానీ వాళ్ళ వ్యవస్థ పోషిస్తుందా శిక్షిస్తుందా అనేది తేడా.
Collector is the supreme authority of the district and I am that supreme authority.
యాజ్ పర్ కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ చట్టసభల ఆదేశాల మేరకే ఉద్యోగస్తులు పనిచేయాలనే విషయం మర్చిపోయినట్టున్నాం.
యాజ్ పర్ ద కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ చట్టసభల ఆదేశాలు మారణ హోమానికి దారి తీస్తే ఉద్యోగస్తులు ఫాలో అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఫాలో అయితే మీలాంటి వాళ్ళు హిట్లర్లు అవుతారు.
గుణాన్ని టచ్ చేస్తే విశాఖవాణి గారి మీద డైరెక్ట్ గా వార్ డిక్లేర్ చేసినట్టే.
మీ భయం, అజ్ఞానం, అమాయకత్వం, విశ్వాసమే ఆ సింహాసనానికి 4 కాళ్ళు.
అజ్ఞానం గూడు కట్టిన చోటే మోసం గుడ్లు పెడుతుంది కలెక్టర్.
గాడి తప్పిన ఆ లెజిస్లేటివ్ గుర్రాన్ని ఈ రోజు ఎదిరించి ప్రశ్నిస్తోంది ఈ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ వ్యవస్థ. న్యాయ వ్యవస్థ కూడా తన కాళ్ళ మీద నుంచొని ఆ గుర్రానికి కళ్ళెమైనప్పుడే ఇది అసలైన రిపబ్లిక్. దేనికి భయం? దేనికి భయం?
Too good.
I
Man,
think
this
this movie is I think a political
fight.
right?
Yes, the political fight. Yeah,
Ramya
itself.
Krishna is I think she is playing the role of a
Negative.
politician role, right?
But she's having a lot of negativity, what I can understand, and because I think Sai Tej, he
Tej.
was like telling that
He's the collector.
He's the collector, and yeah, the collector
And he's
needs to
not
follow a lot of things.
Yes.
What ministers or higher level authority
जो भी
people
वो
are telling,
direct
जो भी
कर रहा है।
बोलना है इनको तो मानना है, and that is what I think the collector is like staying against.
Yes,
all
against
the
that.
injustice and everything.
Right. I think
So this is the fight.
This is the fight
This
between
is the
the
fight.
collector and the minister.
And the
right?
minister, yes.
And
Very,
the
very
ministers
real.
also are, or these guys, I think they are trying to acquire some land or something. I don't know why the fight is there. So,
Why all the villagers were like running and they were just killing, and it was like
acquiring,
very
land property or
very
something,
disturbing.
it will be there, right? So mass killing and all, they were saying
is
that,
happening,
kill
yes,
everybody and
in
all.
everybody,
It was like that only.
yeah,
They were saying.
so based upon the political events only.
Yes.
So perhaps like a lot of people don't like to see this kind of movie because it is a very serious topic, very deep meaning would be there. So I can totally understand because people always love to watch the stylish fight and love or
Nowadays,
something
I
like
think
that, but yeah,
nowadays
flavor
the
got
flavor
changed.
is getting
True.
changed. People
Flavor
are
are getting
liking
changed.
mostly biopic or
Biopics.
this kind of political
True.
kind of the movies.
True.
Instead of there is a lot of movies we have seen in the
Yeah.
romance romance and all. Nowadays people are not liking that much romance
Yes,
movie, right?
because people का जो flavor है, लोगों का देखने का तरीका बदल
I
गया
think
है.
people have got
And
more matured
more
now.
matured now, and we are so happy about this fact actually, because this kind of movie also should be showcased, and this is a naked reality.
Right,
हम
exactly.
हमारे यहाँ पे भी ऐसा होते हैं, but collector लोग कुछ नहीं कह सकते हैं. They read a
They
lot,
need to
they study,
follow the
they
order.
crack the exam, but after that they need to follow the order, whatever the orders
Of
are coming from the higher.
illiterate politicians,
Yeah,
right?
true.
I will tell like that only.
Yes, but
Because
no
that is
shame,
true,
right? There is a true thing.
Lot of uneducated politicians are
Yes.
also there. They don't understand the ground reality, what is happening, and instead of that only they used to give lot of orders. So
But-
and that is also not in favor of the people, but against of the
against
people. That is
people.
very bad.
Very bad, actually.
So I think that reality we will be able to see in this movie. And
Hmm.
coming to the picturization, wow, the execution, slow motion, that
Marvelous.
bottle got on the face
Ha,
of
ha,
that
ha.
lady. Wow, it
Oh
was
my
executed.
God.
Oh
And
my
also,
God,
like
seriously.
one person was like lying down, and he just put his feet on the face of that person, old
Yeah.
person. That was also the scene
Yes, the slow
executed
motion was-
beautifully.
it was
The
captured.
way he was like roaring, Saitesh, just like he was just giving some dialogues or something, giving dialogue delivery in the field or somewhere. It was like very heavy. The way he was like commanding that, can you hear me, like something like that he was telling. That scene, like he has put his 100% in this movie.
He
I
was
think.
having a firm voice, and
Firm
I think
voice.
against Ramya Krishna,
Yeah.
you need to have a bold
Yeah.
kind of character who can speak and whose voice is too much
Very
firm,
challenging
right?
for him, I think, really, because
Yes.
Ramya Krishnan
Her
itself is
voice,
a,
my goodness.
क्या बोले, मतलब it's a big name, Ramya Krishnan madam,
We have
and
seen
in
couple
front
of
of
the movie and
in
that
front of
movie.
her,
Yes.
that Saitesh को वैसा ही होना है.
Right,
There
right.
should be energetic, should be so much firm,
Right, and his voice should be too much loud,
loud
and clear,
the way.
right?
Even I think Saitesh has done brilliant job, because in the trailer only we can totally understand that in film he is going to rock for sure.
Right.
Okay,
And coming to the background music,
Yeah,
background
that is
music was also
marvelous,
super,
every
because
single
it
thing.
was needed that emotional touch, as well as a kind where you are fighting against injustice.
Yes.
That too feeling it gave us from this music.
very
as
proper
well.
BGM actually.
Yes.
Very proper BGM, and this kind of sensitive topic, ऐसे टाइप का टॉपिक के ऊपर BGM का बहुत बड़ा भूमिका होता है. We always tell this thing, and we never forget to tell about the BGM. Every time we tell about the BGM, and really it is awesome that it is giving you a thrilling kind of emotion also, as well as it is very powerful, very energetic, and it's like giving the vibe that something is not happening right, and someone is there who is like standing against all the injustice.
Exactly.
The
BGM
BGM itself is portraying.
Yes, of course. BGM plays a beautiful role
Yeah,
in
in
any
this.
kind of the movie. Either
Here
it's a
also.
romantic movie, either it's something patriotic kind
True.
of a movie, or fighting movie, action movie, anything. BGM should be
Powerful,
perfect,
एकदम perfect
according
होना
to the
चाहिए.
concept of the movie.
Really,
Yeah.
really amazing, and really enjoyed. Like ऐसा टाइप का मूवी ना साल में एक बार तो निकलना ही चाहिए. This kind of patriotic, some injustice वाला जो भी
Or showing the naked,
naked,
truth of the society.
truth of the society.
Right?
This kind of movie should get released
Yes.
at least once in a year, so that people also becoming bored to see the romantic kind of love and action kind of sequences.
Right.
This kind of
And
movie is a
also
refreshment.
it's
and
just showing the other people also how the ground reality of the villages or some rural area or some city area also. A lot of different areas are there where politically much more influence than and whatever we see in the TVs and all that is different thing.
That is different
So I
thing.
think it's better to show what is
Acquiring
going on in
land,
reality.
yes, acquiring land, demolishing the countrymen houses and all of this thing, like for the sake of this government property, and what stories they are making, and the collectors and the whoever they are under the ministry level, they are
They eat a
just
lot of
obeying.
money also.
They eat all lot of the monies, and they know that this is bad, or this is properly, like matlab whatever they are doing, it is bad
not,
only.
yes.
It's not
It's
right,
against the
but
rule.
still
They also go against the rule just to follow the order, right?
Yeah, it will be like showing in this movie beautifully. I am totally sure about that, and really 1st of October को धमाका होगा. जाओ जाके देखो, and silver screen में है, तो you can definitely understand कितना बड़ा, मतलब लोग कितना तालियां देंगे, तुम सोच सकते हो. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. We always get happy whenever we see such kind of masterpiece in front of our eyes, and through this platform we always try to make you understand what we are feeling about the movie or about the context and everything. Please let us know how you feel about this
Yes.
whole trailer in the comment bar. Okay, and yeah, if you love our reaction, please subscribe channel, guys. Also please click on the like button to like this video and share this with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.